mga ninarate po na based on the complaint ni Honorable Congressman Chua, pinapakita po na yung 125 million na yon hindi napunta sa dapat puntahan ng such a sensitive funds as confidential or intelligence funds. We can actually say that this were simply appropriated by VP Sara for her personal gain. Kapag hindi napunta dun sa dapat puntahan, at sabi nga sa affidavit ni Ramil Madriaga, ay ito ay napunta sa iba-ibang tao na ano ba sila? Hindi naman sila part of anything. At wala namang sinabi, there was no report, neither the Vice President nor the OVP reported any loss of the 125 million confidential funds. Dahil nga, napunta sa mga ganyan. So that is actually personal gain for our own personal purposes, whatever it is. Bakit napunta dun sa mga personalidad na yon, as testified to by Colonel Lachica and Colonel Nolasco, which are part of the Office of the Vice President Security Detail. These are actually the head. Nolasco is the head, and also Lachica is, sila talaga yung mga supposedly pagkakatiwalaan ng Vice President